Okay, so we had looked on the spread operator. So how we by donating the spread operator? What was the symbol and
Triple
what is
dot.
the okay triple dot? Okay, and what is the use of a spread operator? For what purpose we was using?
It will use copy data spread operator.
So it is using for the copying the data. Okay, so what are the different ways of copying data? What was the different ways of copying data? So first process was splice method. Sorry, slice
Slice,
process. Slice was there.
concat,
Then concat. Okay.
concat,
Next concat. Then equal to operator was also there. Assignment operator. But we never using that assignment operator. Okay. Let's see next. So that day we had discussed regarding how to copy data in the array case. We had not looked over the object case. Now we will look over the how to copy the data in the object, and also we had looked in the spread a string case. So a string is like this type, so we can copy the data, means number we can copy or not. Suppose that this is your value, and if you have to take out each value outside, each value in the sense, suppose I will go that example itself. Yeah, so suppose that we have text as a welcome. Okay, I want to split each letter of the welcome word outside. How we can do? If we have no any spread operator, can anyone tell? I want to print each word of that welcome letter. How we can do that one? No idea. Can we use for loop? Is it possible?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So let's see. I have not idea whether it will work on for loop or not, but let's try. But what is the requirement? My requirement is suppose we have one text str equal to welcome. Okay, and I want to print each word of this letter in the console. Then how we can proceed? Let's do that. How to do? Let's see, use for loop. Okay, so for loop, let's go that. I will just go directly for in that one. Let's see whether it is working or not. So let's say data of str, okay, and console.log data. Let's see what is the output, whether it is error or what. Got it? It worked. So with the help of for in, it came. Now just try with for, sorry, with the help of for of it came. Let's try with for in. What will happen? whether it will work or not. Let's see. What we will do, just replace for in, and now try. What is that error? What we got? We got a position of the letter, correct? So now the second question, if we got the position of that, how we will get the word? Can anyone tell how we will get the letter, each letter? This thing we had already discussed while string method. Okay, let's comment this also. Suppose I want to print L. Can anyone tell how to print L? Until that write L, it will print. No. How we will take L from this welcome word? So see, one point I telling you. This is your string value. Okay. So we have a string as a array that is going on. For loop, where it was working? It working only in the case of the array. Correct or not? So we had applied for op and it had worked. It means it is working like a array. So now tell how to print L. Can we take like this 0, 1, 2. Now we got that value. So suppose that be given 6. Let's say E is there. It means it will behave as like a string, sorry, as like a array. So what we done? We printed this one. That's fine. Now come to here. Now tell the answer of this one. Rahul. Now we getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now tell me how we will print the data value. Rahul, Neha, yeah, tell.
In console sir, डेटा का बगल में वैल्यू पास कर देंगे वो str.
Please try to speak English. Okay, what we will pass?
I will try sir.
In place of data?
No, in place of.
Okay. Tell me what I will write.
Sir, first one key value we pass data.
First data. Okay.
Yes sir. And then inside a bracket we pass value.
Which value?
Str.
Str. Okay. Let's see what happened. Undefined. Now tell me one thing. Wait. Whatever you had thought, that's okay. What is this str? Neha, what is that str?
Sir, variable name.
No, means it containing complete data or local variable. You know local variable. Which is local variable?
Inside the function, this is local variable.
Okay, tell me what is the value of the local variable? Means variable name. Which is local variable in this?
str.
No.
So local variable.
Ashwini, which is local variable?
Data is a local variable
Data
and
is
str is an array.
Data is the local variable. Okay, and your str is like a array. It is the main variable which containing the data. Okay, so now tell me what is the mistake here?
str and then array and data.
Okay, it means he had written wrong position. Position will be like first will be your data in the sense array, and inside you will pass the position. Who is giving you position? Data variable. Got Rahul? What is the mistake?
Yes sir.
Now comment this line. Now say. Clear? So first be passing the data and then be passing the local variable. Local variable in the sense which was giving position, because this is treating as a array. Okay, so this much process for in by this type we can get each word. Okay, now in place of going this much lengthy process, we can do directly in one line also. with the help of a spread operator. OPERATOR. Yeah. So how we will do with the help of a spread operator? What we will do? I will write console.log in one line itself. Now tell me what I will do. Aswini. What is available? 1 second. Okay. Maksud, tell me what I will pass in a spread using spread operator.
Sir, first of all, triple dot and pass the str.
Okay. Now let's see. Had it shown like that type? It not came, I think, like. Let's do one thing. Pass in one line itself. Triple dot and give it here. So like that itself, it coming here. Okay. Fine. Okay. So what we done? We had taken with the help of the spread operator, and it will print the value. 1 second. Okay. One mistake I had done. Now see what mistake we had done. This is your string value. Okay. Make this as a array. When we using a spread operator, make this as a array 1 and pass here str1. Let's see. Yeah, it's giving same output. No issue. Oh, sorry, where we make the array. Let's try. No, 1 second.
Sir, late is equal to str. Yes, sir.
Yeah, now it will work. And let's print str. Yeah, got it. So this become your array value. What we had done, we had taken one str, and inside that we had kept inside the array we had kept the string data. Okay, but using a using a spread operator, and it converted into the array. Got it? So like this type we can do that with the help of the spread operator, without the spread operator, because when we was doing with a string in the sense this one, suppose that time also we was getting position itself, correct or not? When we had done here console, let it to be print here itself data comma, let's say here also be getting position, and here also getting position, correct? See, in both the case we getting the same thing, but what is difference? Difference is here it is your string, correct? But here this is in the form of the array. Can we do one thing? Can we remove this one and let's try whether it working? No, it's giving error directly. Okay, so like this type we can split the word of the string. So in the real time you will use a lot this one. Okay, so this type you will split, and suppose numeric form is there, we can use that numeric form also. How? You have to convert that as a string, then only it will be possible. Number will be not possible directly, like here we can't do because number is not iterable, we can't iterate that. Next, come to the object. So how we will do with the help of, in the case of the object. So this is your object one. This already we had seen. Let it away. Okay, let me copy this data. Network is okay. Now see what we're doing here. What is the question? Create a new object and copy all the data into new object. Already we had looked over this also. So what we doing? we have one object and we copied all the object in the new object. This is your new object, and in this we going to copy all the data. How we are copying? Using a spread operator. What we have to do? If this is object, then sure you have to take object. Got it? That's why we had taken object, and the remaining everything is same. Previously also we was using triple dot, and then we was putting the value. Here also same thing. Let's say check the output of new object. Now you can see in new object also we got key 1, key 2. Already data I also having. So this type we can copy the object, array, anything data. Now let's say create a new object and copy all the data into new object. Same thing is there, but what is that? Now tell me this one. Let's try. Question is that create a new object and copy all the data into new object. So we have two objects. Let's create new object. Let new obj equal to empty. Now tell me how we will create, means how we will copy object 1 and object 2 into new object. And I going to console new object. Mayuri, how we will copy data of object 1 and object 2?
With the help of spread operator, sir.
Okay, how we will pass?
In triple dot.
Line number? Where we will write line number?
So in bracket, you pass a triple dot and object 1, comma, triple dot object 2.
Let's see the output. We got the output, correct? We have key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4, total 4 object, means 4 parameter, key 1, key 2, clear? And this is your new object. So this type we can copy data into from any object to any new object, means we can create any new object also. Clear? Anyone having any doubt? Then just tell me.
Sir, if we pass the separate operator inside the console, 54.
Separate
Comma
operator.
Yeah. It will work or not?
How? Just come again.
In 54 line, new object, comma, triple dot object 1 and triple dot object 2, then it will work. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Why not? It will work. It will again give copy one new data. It give an error. What is that? A spread syntax requires. Okay. Sorry. No, it will here. It will not work. Why? See, because it is object. Correct. We have to pass inside object. Now you will previously we had seen when object we was passing inside the array, it is not possible. It do one thing. Remove. Put a square bracket. Will also have to work. Nothing is there. Sorry. This have to work. Correct. Because we have taken this data and we keeping inside. Let's see whether this one working. What happened? Object 1 is not iterable. We can't do that one. But same line of code, it is working in the above. Got it? So what we have to take care, if our object means data which we going to copy, if that is object, we have to keep inside the object. If that is array, we have to keep inside the array. Got it? We will not keep like that. Means we can't take object and put inside array and put inside object. No, we can't do it. Clear? Any another doubt? Let's move next example. Now tell the question answer of this question. What will happen? What is question? What will happen if we, while cloning, if we have duplicate key in another object? Got it? Let me copy this. Now tell me, what will be the output? What is the key 1? Value 1, key 2, value 2. Okay. What is here? Key 1 equal to unique value, key 3, key 4. That is new. It means key 1 is available in both. Which will be, which output we will get?
Sir, object to key 1 will be a print, sir, because it will overwrite of the key 1 object 1.
Object 1, key 1. Okay. Any other?
Sir, here output is that key1 is unique value and key2 is the value 2, key3 equal value 3 and key4 equal to value 4.
Okay. Let's see. So what is the output? Key 1 equal to unique value. Okay. Because the key 1 is common in both the case. So what we getting? We always we will get last value. Okay. And remaining all are same, all are new, so it's not the problem. So this time we can clone the data. What will happen if we will change order with us while a spread operator? What will happen? Tell me the output of this one.
Sir, value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4 it will print, sir.
Value?
Value 1, value 2 and value 3, value 4. The object 2 key 1 value will be replaced with the object 1 key 1.
Okay. It means first it will print value 1.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Let's see. I don't know what will happen. What happened? Value 1. Then value 3. Because 1 and 3 in first it will print. Got it? Object 1. Sorry. Where is that? Object 2. First object 2 will print. Object 2. What is the value? These all 3. So first it printed. After that object 1 came. So what is there in object 2? Key 1, 3, 4. Key 1, 3 and 4. Clear? Up to here. After that what happened? When object 1 came, second is object 1. Now object 1 is going to print. What is there? Key 1 equal to value 1. And this key is already available. So what will happen? The last value will be our output, which is last one, value 1. That's why we got here value 1. It overridden the value, and key 2 in the last key 2. Anyone have doubt? Clear? Next, add another key while cloning. Means when we copying the data, that time I want to add any new key. Then how we can do? New key in the sense, let's comment this line. Okay, add another key while cloning. What we will do? So key is same, this one itself. Let's print. What it means? Add another key. How to add? Aswini, how we will add? Maksud.
Value 5, sir.
Okay, value 1. I want to add fifth value. How to add?
String, sir. It will
What?
create a string.
What we will write? How to add fifth value?
न्यू ऑब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट 2 है ना सर, उसके बाद में एक स्ट्रिंग.
What we will write? Okay, string. Okay.
New 5.
New 5. Okay. That's it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This is object. What object is containing? What object will contain? Means how object
Key
is
and
containing
value.
key and value. So where is key and which is value? Because you going to assign new value, it means combinedly both will go, correct?
Yes, sir.
So where is key and where is value?
New is key.
Hmm?
And
which is
5 is
value?
value. 5 is value.
1 second. New is key and 5 is value. How key and value is combining? Who is going to link together?
Semicolon.
Not semicolon. That is
Colon.
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 Colon. But where is colon here? It is not there. So can we write like this? Is it correct?
No, sir.
Okay. What is this one? Now new colon 5. What is this? What type of data type?
A string, sir.
It is a string because double quote. So how we will pass? Let's say. So first we have to pass a key and value. So let's add a key 5. Suppose I adding like this type, key type key 5 and value 5. Is this correct? Let's see. Hope it should
Yes,
be
sir.
correct. So you can see here key 5 and value 5. Same thing we had written. Clear? So this type we can add external key. Means what we are doing in the new object. New object is our copied object, cloned object. In the cloned object, what we have? Object 1, object 2, and new key and value pair. Got it? So this type we can keep our data cloned. Clear? Or any doubt? Okay, next, clone object and array together. Now I want to clone object and array together. How we will do that one? So let's see. So here you can see you have object 1, you have object 2, and you have one array 1. Okay, and array 1 having data. Let's see how we will keep these all. And three, 4. Okay, so what happened? We had taken one object, we taken another object, we taken array. How we can clone this one? So what we doing? We take an object, okay, and inside object itself we keeping that one. Let's try. Let new obj equal to 1 2 3 obj1 comma obj2, sorry, obj2 comma 3 array1. Let's see whether it's working or not. New obj. What happened? Now where is your array value? Yeah, item 1, item 2, item 3. This all are your array value. And where is what is the key? What is key for array data? 0, 1, 2. Because the
0,
array
1, 2.
because the array containing which type of index? Numbered or named? Arrays containing numbered index
Number.
or object containing named index.
Name index.
Okay. So let's see now. So array 1 we kept we kept array data. We have object data, and let's add some key and pair also. We will add again same thing. So we will pass a key 5 colon data value 5. Let it to be. We got value 5. Now one question. Around approx we had covered everything. Now you can add a spread, a string, number, object, array data in the with the object. Means now we have multiple data every type. It is just example actually. Let's discuss this also. Then we will move next. It is around to finish. So whatever we had just now we had seen, everything is written here. What is first? Which type of data? This is a revision, okay? Everything we discussed.
Spread
That is a
object.
string. First one is a string data type, correct? So in the string, when you running, what type object you will get? What type of data? Output will be like this type. It will be a spread. Means it will give you a space type. Second, what is this one?
Object.
It will become object, and object will contain key and value, correct? And we already know that when we will take this one, this will behave as a array. So we will get the index as a 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's save this, and let's parallelly look over the output also, which give an error. Last one, okay. Or not last, this one give an error. Oh, one more give an error. Yeah. So see, from here, this is a string. That's why it came along one line itself. What about second? Second is your object. So object will be come with the key and value. That's why it came with the key and value. Okay, one thing. How we deciding whether it is object or array? Forget this symbol. How you will deciding whether this is object or array? In object also you getting 0, 1, 2, 3. Here also be getting 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's see.
Sir, key.
Key, no. If it will be array, then also you will get key like that type itself. You got here also 0, 1, 2, 3. But symbol is a square bracket array. Come here. What is difference you realizing in both? Nothing.
Name and number.
Where is named a number? In below also be getting name and number, correct? But why be telling this is your object and this is your array?
In the object, it will print the type of object and
No, you ignore that. From the console, I deciding means just forget this symbol. If you will
That will
forget that
come with
symbol,
double code.
no, that is written like that itself.
Sir, array count the length.
Okay, that is the main thing. See here, length property. You will get this length property only and only in the array case, not in the object. Got it? See, whenever you will get the word array, you will get two things. One will be index value, means like a 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever we getting. Second will be length property. Only array will show the length property, no any others. Got it? That is the thing. So if that is object, it will show you in the form of the key and value pair. Correct? Next, come to this array. What will happen? It will again take out each data and it will pass. Let's see. It given all the data. Come to next, console.log. This is array. Okay, this is your array, but what we are doing, we are keeping inside the object. Clear? So object we already know, it will give you index, means sorry, not index, key and value. That is the case. Item 1, 2, 3. Item 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. That is key. Okay. Next. Check here also. Possible by converting into a string. अगर आप नंबर को कर रहे हैं तो नंबर हम लोग कैसे करेंगे? स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट करके. डायरेक्ट हम नंबर को नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो हम इस टाइप से इसको बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. सेकंड चीज, अब आते हैं ये दोनों लाइन पे. ये आपको एरर देगा. क्यों?
क्योंकि नंबर को सर स्ट्रिंग में
नंबर
कन्वर्ट
को
करते ही
because number directly we can't do. It is not iteratable type. Okay. What about next? Same thing. Number, this number, and we are putting inside the object. So here also same thing. It is also not possible. Clear? So same, whatever we had done here, we had done using object. We had kept everything inside the object. Same example we will do with the help of the array. There is nothing different. Difference is just previously it was object symbol. Now it is array symbol. Inside the array, you are getting that. Let's see directly the output. So what is the output? Welcome. It is printing outside. Next, what is this one? This one is array or object. Here it is array, and here object. Here also it is array because that is length property. Next, this one. You can see. Be kept inside the array. If you want all the data outside, what you have to do? You have to keep it kept inside the array. Then you will get the data. Each data it will spread out. Then same thing. Okay. Now overall, hope I think everyone got that. Who have any issue? Now let's see below, something is there. Here note. What is that? When we will spread with object, okay, then convert. When we will spread with object, then conversion will be with key and value pair. Correct? When we doing a spread operator using object, this all was using spread object. What we had got? we got everywhere key and value pair. And same thing, when we will spread with array, when we will do with the help of, when we will use spread operator with array, what will happen? Then conversion will be with index and value. Correct. Here you will get index and value only, and previously that was key and value pair, because that is array and this one is object. Now suppose, let's take this one. I kept A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K up to Z. What will happen? Let's comment this completely. What happened? It given the position of each one. Got it? So just you have to take care one thing, that if data is available in the form of the array, okay, you will use the spread operator, pass a square bracket, and suppose you have data inside this. Fine. And you want that this all data have to print outside. Outside in the sense, as like loop we are doing, like that type. How we will get that? Data equal to. We done everything. Now tell me how we will get this data separate each data. Let's do console.log, and if we will do a spread operator like this type, what will happen? What output will come?
Will copy the data.
It will just copy the data. Correct. It had copied the data. It had not printed outside. Outside in the sense, suppose use for loop. Use for each. Where is array? Array is data dot for each, and console.log element. What happened? What is difference in both the case? In the first output and second output. In this output and in this output, what is difference?
Sir, in the first output, it will join the string when it is concatenate.
Okay.
And the second one, it will print all simple data.
Any other? That is not the case. Anyone?
Firstly, it horizontally and vertically, I think differ.
Great. नेहा का दिमाग का जवाब नहीं है.
Sir,
हमें लग
array
रहा
is
था.
separate.
हाँ. Okay.
Array is a separate.
Where? First or second? देखिए क्या हुआ. Okay.
Sir,
Second, yeah, correct.
firstly we console the data, na? Then it will show a simple data, and when we use for each, then it will create and print the data.
What it will?
Iterate.
Okay. So see, what is the case? देखिए फर्स्ट में जब हम डेटा को लिखे, इस टाइप से मेरा लिखा हुआ है, हमने क्या किया, console.log किया, डेटा लिख दिया. ठीक है. इसने क्या किया, इसने अपने मन से कुछ नहीं किया. इसने सिर्फ यहाँ से डेटा उठाया सबको और इसके अंदर उसने डाल दिया. जैसे वो है वैसे ही उसने प्रिंट कर दिया, कुछ नहीं करने गया. लेकिन इस लाइन पे क्या हुआ है, सपोज दैट इसमें से हमें 0th इंडेक्स का डेटा चाहिए, फर्स्ट डेटा चाहिए, सिर्फ निकाल सकते हैं क्या? इसको कमेंट करता हूँ। इससे हम 0 फर्स्ट डेटा निकाल सकते हैं या सिर्फ सेकेंड डेटा? क्या लगता है, पॉसिबल है? किन्हीं को नहीं, निकालने का कोई चांस ही नहीं बनता है, क्योंकि स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर करता क्या है, हम लोग शुरू में ही देखे हैं क्या है, सिर्फ डेटा को कॉपी कर रहा है और कुछ नहीं किया है। जो प्रोसेस कॉनकैटनेट और इक्वल टू ऑपरेटर, मल्टीपल प्रोसेस जो करते हैं या स्लाइस यूज करके, सपोज दैट हम स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर को छोड़ देते हैं, स्लाइस यूज करते हैं, वेट, रेस्पॉन्स ले लेते हैं वेरिएबल का नाम, और हम डेटा को रेस्पॉन्स में कॉपी करते हैं। कैसे करेंगे? स्लाइस के हेल्प से। डेटा, नेक्स्ट
डेटा डॉट
डॉट
स्लाइस,
स्लाइस, कहाँ से
देन
स्टार्ट करना है? पोजीशन क्या
0
रहेगा?
से
0 से कहाँ तक जाएंगे, लेके लास्ट तक छोड़ दिए, कंसोल किए, क्या आया? अभी आपका जो डेटा आ रहा है ना, आपको दिख रहा है एरे फॉर्म में दिखा रहा है। क्यों? क्योंकि हमने डेटा को कॉपी किया, हमने पूरा डेटा को निकाल लिया। बट यहाँ पे जब हम लोग सिर्फ स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर के हेल्प से किए थे, एक काम और करता हूँ, यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, यहाँ भी डेटा दिखा रहा है हमें, ठीक है, मतलब समझिए कि दोनों एक तरह से सेम जैसा ही है, बट ये क्या कर रहा है, डेटा को इंडेक्स के साथ में नहीं दिखा रहा है। इसने क्या किया, डेटा को जस्ट कॉपी कर दिया। अब आपको इसे लूप करना है। अगर आपको हर एक डेटा निकालना है तो आपको क्या करना होगा, लूपिंग करना होगा, करेक्ट। मतलब एक एक डेटा अगर हमें निकालना है तो, और हमने क्या किया, इसीलिए नीचे में आपको लूपिंग जब हम कर रहे हैं तो हमारा क्या हो रहा है, हर एक डेटा बाहर निकल गया। यहाँ पे क्या लगता है, ऐसा लिख दें तो चलेगा, कुछ होगा? 0 पे दे रहा है ना, मतलब जैसे डेटा हमारा कॉपी हुआ, देखिए दोनों में अंतर क्या हो रहा है, पहला में भी हमने डेटा निकाला, 0th पोजीशन का डेटा निकाल दिया, वहां भी हमें निकाल रहा है, बट देखने के लिए क्या है ना, यहाँ पे थोड़ा ज्यादा सुटेबल अगर देखा जाए कि वो लूपिंग करके डेटा को हमें बाहर निकाला। इस पे भी हम लूप कर सकते हैं, पॉसिबल है या नहीं? ये डेटा जो हम लिखे हैं ना, यहाँ ट्रिपल डॉट लगा के देखते हैं, सॉरी, देखते हैं होगा क्या, नहीं होगा। समझ में आ रहा है? यहाँ पर हम लूप नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो कहने का मतलब क्या हुआ कि स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर जो होता है वो क्या करता है, डेटा को कॉपी करता है और उसे स्प्रेड कर देता है, मतलब वो फैला देता है डेटा को। समझ में आया कि नहीं? ठीक है, तो यहाँ से हमने क्या किया, डेटा को कॉपी करके, सॉरी, यहाँ पे हमने कंसोल के हेल्प से, स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर के हेल्प से डेटा को कॉपी किया, सिंगल डेटा भी निकाल सकते हैं, बट स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर का यूज हम जनरली किस लिए करते हैं, डेटा को कॉपी करने के पर्पस पे। लेकिन अगर आपको लूप करके कुछ ऑपरेशन करना है तो आपको जाना होगा लूपिंग वाले पे। समझ में आ गया ना ये चीजें? ठीक है, तो ठीक है, चलिए, तो ये हुआ। अभी इस टाइप से यहाँ से क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे आपको ABCD जो भी है अल्फाबेट, तो यहाँ से हमने पूरा को क्या किया, ऑब्जेक्ट में बना दिया और ऑब्जेक्ट से डेटा को निकाल दिया। या इसी काम को अगर हम चाहें तो क्या चीज, एक एक डेटा अगर हमें निकालना है, यहाँ आपको दिख रहा है कुछ, वेट, मान लीजिए देखिए जितना कीजिएगा उतना आपको कुछ कन्फ्यूजन लगेगा, बहुत सारा चीज़ आपको लगेगा कि हाँ ये दिक्कत हो रहा है, इससे हम ये कर सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते हैं ये चीज़। मान लीजिए यहाँ अल्फ़ाबेट लिखा हुआ है और इससे मुझे क्या करना है, वेलकम वर्ड अगर बनाना है तो क्या करेंगे, सारा डिजिट को, सारा जो पोजीशन है निकाल लेंगे कि कहाँ कहाँ से कौन पोजीशन आ रहा है। ये जो दिया हुआ है क्या है, की है, वैल्यू है, इंडेक्स है, क्या है?
इंडेक्स है।
इंडेक्स
नहीं, ऊपर क्या है, डेटा किस में है, एरे में है या ऑब्जेक्ट में? ऑब्जेक्ट है ना।
ऑब्जेक्ट।
जब ऑब्जेक्ट है तो ऑब्जेक्ट के पास इंडेक्स थोड़ी होता है, ऑब्जेक्ट के पास इंडेक्स नहीं होता है ना,
नहीं सर, वैल्यू की एंड वैल्यू।
की एंड वैल्यू, तो वो लिखा हुआ जो क्या है, ये की है ना। लेकिन ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर जो की डालते हैं कितने तरह से डाल सकते हैं, मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट का डेटा कितने तरह से एक्सेस होता है?
सर 2 टाइप्स है सर,
एक होता है ना डॉट नोटेशन,
डॉट नोटेशन और स्क्वायर नोटेशन, स्क्वायर
स्क्वायर
ब्रैकेट।
ब्रैकेट, तो वही तो किया गया ना, समझ में आ गया। ये ऑब्जेक्ट और फिर हमने स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के अंदर पोजीशन को डाल दिया, पोजीशन इन द सेंस की को डाल दिया, और यहाँ पे नंबर ये जो है ये क्या करेगा, हमें ए बी सी को मतलब वो 0 1 2 3 पे कर देगा, इसीलिए पोजीशन वैसा आ जाएगा। और हमने फिर सबको क्या किया, कॉन्कैटिनेट कर दिया, सबको जोड़ दिया। आ गया समझ में कि नहीं? तो ये सीन हुआ। तो ये था पूरा का पूरा आपको स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर। तो स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर किया क्या, क्या समझ में आया? किया कुछ नहीं, इसने डेटा को लिया, कॉपी किया, करेक्ट। सेकंड क्या कर रहा है, डेटा को स्प्रेड करने में यूज कर रहे हैं हम। स्प्रेड इन द सेंस डेटा को ओपन किया और प्लेस कर दिया, यही हो रहा है ना कुछ, या कुछ और हुआ? इतना अगर आपको स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर समझ में आ गया है तो ये एनफ है, इसे ज़्यादा का ज़रूरत नहीं है। लेकिन हाँ, जब रियल टाइम पे कीजिएगा तो आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या है। तो स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर का मतलब एक ही चीज़ है, ट्रिपल डॉट, बस। तो आपको एक और आगे आएगा, अभी जो हम लोग स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर पढ़ रहे हैं ये फिर से आगे आएगा आपको ट्रिपल डॉट के साथ ही, लेकिन उसका नाम स्प्रेड नहीं, उसका नाम रेस्ट ऑपरेटर है, वो मिलेगा रेस्ट ऑपरेटर के साथ। तो फिर मैं बताऊंगा कि रेस्ट एंड स्प्रेड में अंतर क्या है और किसे कब यूज होगा, क्योंकि जैसे स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर में ट्रिपल डॉट हुआ है, सेम वही काम यहाँ रेस्ट ऑपरेटर भी यूज करेगा ट्रिपल डॉट को, बट दोनों का अंतर है, ज़्यादा माइनर डिफरेंस ही है, बट थोड़ा सा का अंतर है उसमें दोनों में। ठीक है, तो इनडायरेक्टली क्या हो रहा है कि जो हम ट्रिपल डॉट जहाँ लगा रहे हैं, तो हम यहाँ पर अगर ट्रिपल डॉट को यूज किए हैं किसमें, डेटा के साथ, ट्रिपल डॉट डेटा, ठीक है, ये एक्चुअली इनडायरेक्टली क्या किया, इनडायरेक्टली किया क्या, तो बताइए। इनडायरेक्टली इसने ये पूरा डेटा को लिया, इसके अंदर डाल दिया, ऐसा ही हुआ ना। लाइन नंबर 63 66, लाइन नंबर 63 66 हुआ है या नहीं, देखिए दोनों का आउटपुट समझ में आ गया। ये काम कर रहा है स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर। अब आपको लूपिंग करना है, मतलब कुछ भी हो, जहां भी डेटा कॉपी करने का बात है फट से दिमाग में लाइए स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर, और कुछ नहीं। ठीक है, तो ये था आपको स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर। अगला टॉपिक हम अगले दिन पढ़ेंगे, नहीं तो ऊपर से बाउंस कर जाएगा, क्योंकि सेट एंड मैप है। सेट एंड मैप आता है क्या किन्हीं को, पहले से पढ़ा हुआ है? चलिए इसको रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करता हूँ।